So we will discuss today active, passive, the same as we discussed there in the earlier class. I will give examples of present continuous tense. Okay, and you have to change these active voices into passive voices. So you write the examples. Present continuous. They are building a new more. That is being are you write the examples and change the voice. Yeah, do more case. Yes, students. Yeah, complete it. So the first one, they are building a new mall. What it will become? How? Yes, Sonakshi Pandey, you tell. Yeah, Anamika, you have provided your response. You can unmute yourself and speak. Yes, Anamika, unmute yourself and speak.
A new mall is being built by them.
Yes,
A new mall is building by them.
yes, a new mall is being built by them. And then is being built by them. A new mall is being a new mall is being built by them.
Built by them.
So you write that. Okay, this is the first one. A new mall is being built by them. A new mall is being built by them. Now, second, the car is being pulled by a horse.
A horse is
Just
pulling a cart.
only to whom I am asking. Yes, Aman Mansoori, you tell Aman. Aman Mansoori. Yes. Suresh Pathare. Suresh Pathare.
The horse is pulling the cart.
The
The horse had pulled the cart.
yeah, repeat it.
The horse has pulled the cart.
Okay. So there it is a. It is given a. So you have to do is like this. This is already there in passive. This is already there in passive. So you have to change it in active. The car is being pulled by. The car is there, pulled platform is there by a horse. So you have to convert, you have to change it into active. And it will become a horse is pulling the cart. Okay, so is being is there, so you will come to know that this is of what? This is That were present continuous. Okay, so a horse is pulling the cart. A horse is pulling the cart. Is it clear to you? A horse is Ansuman. A horse is the cart is pulling. The cart is being pulled by a horse. So a horse is pulling the cart. Ansuman, is it okay? You have to provide your response unmuting yourself, not
Okay,
writing.
sir.
Yes, like this, that you have to. So this you have done, all of you, second one. Then next,
Yes, sir.
yes, he is searching the torn tent. Who will
The,
take?
the torn tent is being searched by him.
Yes, the torn tent is being searched by him. Okay, all of you do it. The torn tent is being searched by him. Okay, yeah, do it. Then the next is we are speaking our dialogues.
Our
Yes,
dialogues,
Our
our
dialogue.
dialogues are spoken by us.
our dialogues are
Spoken by us.
our dialogues are being spoken.
Are being spoken by us.
Yeah, that you have to remember. That's why again and again I used to tell that don't remain in a hurry to respond. Instead, first of all, you should check what is desired from you. Sometimes in exam also children what they do. They remain in a hurry that yes, I know the answer. And then they commit a mistake. So first of all, it remains very important for us to understand the question. Okay, make it a significant rule that first of all you will understand the question and then respond. Okay, so you might be knowing but in a hurry. The mistake that made. So we are speaking our dialogues. Our dialogues are being spoken by us. The next is the crowd is cheering the players. So it will become the
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 players
players are
are
being
being
cheered by
cheered
the
by
crowd.
the crowd.
the players are being cheered by the crowd. Okay, the players are being cheered by the crowd. So all of you, yes, Ansuman, but everyone, no need to provide response there in the comment box. You can unmute yourself and speak. Okay. So likewise, you can provide. All of you have written this.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
written.
sir.
Yeah, all of you are able to understand. Is anyone having any doubt? Okay, so I am writing for the next tense. So we write it. You do it in your notebook and only speak when your responses will be invited. When I will ask you, okay, Dishita, why you joined late? You have to join the class in time. Next, you write. want you are solving the sums, then you write saying about making a lot of noise. What is policy purpose? Yes, write it, complete it. First of all, you complete it in your notebook. Then I will ask you to provide your response. Yeah, all of you, Anamika raised her hand. What about others? Yes, Sonakshi Pandey. Sonakshi, this time you have to tell. Sonakshi Pandey, they were making fishing nets. They were making fishing nets. Yes,
The
Sonakshi.
fishing nets was made by them.
The question is for Sonakshi. Okay, so it is to be replied by Sonakshi. Yes, Sonakshi Pandey. No response. Children, you have to understand that your response is very important. Active participation should remain there in the class. And all of you, when your response is desired, at that time you should speak. So no response from Sonakshi Pandey's side. Yeah, Kusum, Kuber, yeah, Kuber, you tell. Kuber, they were making.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Fishing nets were made by them.
Kuber fishing, it's they were making. Kuber, yesterday I told.
Sir, I can tell the answer.
This is wrong. Present continuous, past continuous. What you have to keep in mind is an are, was, were, being. Okay, plus third form. That I told yesterday. So that you have to understand. You bring it there at the place of subject, subject at the place of object, and then is and are if it is a present continuous, was, were if it is past continuous, then being is used. That I told. In present, simple present and simple past is and are, was, were plus third form of the verb is used. That I told. So now, Kuber, are you able to tell what it will be?
Sir, I can tell.
Kuber, Tina.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kuber, you speak. Only Kuber. Yes, Kuber.
Fishing nets were being made by them.
Fishing nets were being made by them. Now it is correct. The fishing nets were being made by them. The fishing nets as it is plural, so were will come. The fishing nets were, then being, as it is past continuous. The fishing nets were being made by them. The fishing nets were being made by them. The fishing nets were being made by them. All of you have done it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now next, who is going to tell?
Sir,
Sir, me.
Sir, me.
Okay. So
The alphabets
Okay.
were being learned by the child.
okay, Kusum, you tell, repeat it.
The alphabets were being learned by the child.
Yeah. The alphabets were being learned by the child. The alphabets were being learned by the child. Yes, Aditya Nishal, correct. Kusum, correct. The alphabets were being learned. The alphabets were being learned by the child. You can always raise your hand so that a single student could be asked for speaking. Yes. The alphabets were being learned by them. Okay. Shivani was solving the sums. Anamika provided a response.
These sums was being solved by the Shivani.
Just wait. What about others? Who
Sir, I
is-
have provided first.
Yeah. Yes, you tell.
The sums were solved by Shivani.
Yeah. The sums. Yes, Shreyas, repeat it.
The sums were solved by Shivani.
No, it is wrong. It is wrong. Time and again, what I am telling that you understand well, children.
Sir, was being.
Yes, that you understand. That's why apply your brain before speaking. Understand the things well, then speak. Arshita Berwa, the sums were being solved by Shivani. So understand it well. That's why I am again and again repeating it. Present, simple past. If it is a simple present and simple past, then is and are was were plus third form. If it is present continuous and past continuous, then it is and are was were plus being. Is and are was were plus being. Okay. Then third form. And it is if it is present perfect and past perfect. Disita, I will ask you. Okay, just wait. If it is present perfect and past perfect, then this has, have, or had plus be. Okay, likewise you have. So now we are discussing that over past continuous. Now here, this is the UK. They were making a lot of noise. They were making a lot of noise. This is
A lot of noise were
A
being
lot
made
of
by
noise
them.
was being made by them.
yes, a lot of noise was being. A lot of noise. This is singular, so it will followed by was. A lot of noise was, and it is continuous. So what will being will come? A lot of noise was being. A lot of noise was being. Third form, a lot of noise was being made by them. A lot of noise was being made by them. Is it clear to you? Yeah, likewise. Now do the next one. Yeah. Once keep polishing the doors.
Were the doors
Just
being
wait,
polished by him?
Anamika, wait. Let others speak. Kusum, Disita, Anusa, Ansuman, Anamika, Shreyas, they will not speak. Let others speak. Yes, other students. Yeah, everyone should take.
Sir, can I tell?
No, Aditya. What about others?
Sir, can I?
Just who is speaking?
Sir, me.
Sir,
You-
me.
Just wait. Let me see. Komal Verma. Yes, Komal Verma, you tell. Komal Verma. Rachit Misra. Rachit Misra, you tell. Rachit.
Yes.
Yes, Rachit Misra, you tell. Rachit. Pradeep Gujar has left the meeting. Why, Pradeep, you have left the meeting? You have to be there throughout the class. Rachit, no response from your side. Okay, let me check. Pankhudi Tilani. Pankhudi Tilani, are you there? Pankhudi. Okay, Harshita Berwa.
Sir, can I tell?
Yeah, okay, Aditya, you tell.
The
Yes,
doors were polished by him. Was the door being polished by him?
Doors.
Sir, I can tell the
Was
answer
the
right
doors
now.
was the doors were
Sir,
polished by them?
were the doors being polished by him?
Yes. Were the doors being polished by Aditya? This is plural, so it will be followed by were. Were the doors being polished by them? Okay. So what it will become? Were the doors being polished by them? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I am giving you the next examples. Some more examples. Past continuous we have discussed. I have kept my books on the study table. I have kept my books on the study table. She has not broken her promise. You have not been cheated by me. He has done his homework. Okay, yes, do. Yes, students, the first one I have kept my books on the study table. I have
The
kept
books
my
have been
books
kept.
on the study table. So
The books were being kept on study table.
I have kept my books on the study table. Okay, so subject, my books have been kept by me on the study table. Okay, Shreyas, is it clear to you? My books have been, my books have been, my books have been kept by me on the study table. Yeah, do the next one. Yes, students.
Her promise have not been broken by her.
She has not broken her promise. What will be there? She has not broken her promise. She has not.
Her promise have not been broken by her.
Yes, Anamika, her promise has not been broken by her. Okay, her promise has not been broken by her. Okay, now you do the next one. her promise has not been broken by. Yes, correct. Today, Savita, her promise has not been broken by her. Yes, correct. Next, you have not been cheated by him. You have not been cheated.
He has not been cheated you.
Aditya, will be followed by what? Has or have? Aditya. Yeah, that you have to. Okay. So before delivering your response, just have a check. Okay. So that error you will not make. All the students just think.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes. Who's this? Yes, Aditya, speak.
Sir, why in this in the third question has come?
This is you have not been cheated by. You have not been cheated. So this is what? This is there in passive. This is already there in passive. You have not been cheated by him. So here voice will be changed. So this will become in active. So he has not cheated you. This will become he has not cheated you. He has
Okay, sir.
he has not cheated. This is
Okay,
what
sir.
already in passive. So it will come, the question will change the voice. So that you have to identify that already it is there in passive or this is there in active. If it is there in active, you have to change in passive. If it is there in passive, you have to change it in active. So third, all of you have done.
Yes, sir.
Fine. He has not cheated you. Yeah, he has done his homework, very simple. Okay, so only that student whom I asked. Let me check. Rohit Meena, you tell. Rohit Meena. Rohit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rohit, you provide response. He has done his homework. Yes, Rohit. Rohit. Rohit, provide your response.
Sir, can I?
No, only Rohit. Rohit, tell me. You have understood or not? Yes, Rohit. Rohit, what you have to do, he has not done his homework. This is in active voice. Active voice remains subject dominated. So, while changing into passive, what you have to do, you have this is the subject and this is object, his homework. So, while changing into object, while changing into passive
His
voice,
homework was done by him.
Haji. This you have to bring here and this you have to place at the place of object. Okay.
The homework has been done by him.
Yes. So his homework has been done by him.
Him.
His homework has been done by him. Children, what you should do, what we discuss in the class, you should read it also, you should understand it also, you should go through it. Okay. So if you will do a practice, then definitely you will be able to understand. And if you still have a problem, you can ask there in the next class. Okay. So keep on doing your homework, practice well, and definitely you will be able to learn. Okay. So this we have discussed regarding present perfect. Now some examples of past. So you write. Yes, students. We had prepared the chair. Very good. Yeah. This is,
Prepared by us.
Okay. So every student should be in a position to tell. We had repaired the chair. The chair had been repaired. Past perfect, how it is changed. That chair, it is that chair. Today you have used a chair. That chair is there. So that you have to. That's why again and again I am saying, first of all, focus maximum on the question. What is it?
The chair had been repaired by us.
Yes. So we had repaired the chair. The chair had been repaired by us. The chair had been repaired by us. Then we have connected some points.
Some points
Some
had
points
been
had been
connected by
connected
them.
Some points had been connected by them. Some points had been collected by.
Them.
Yes, some points had been collected by them. Then we have learned a new song.
A new song had been learned by us.
Yes.
By
Us.
Yeah, Aditya, correct. Then
A new song had been learned by us.
yes, correct.
A new song had been learned by us.
Yes, a new song had been learned by us. A new song had been learned by us. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this class comes to yes, Anamika, do you want to ask something?
No, sir.
Okay. So children,
Thank you, sir.
just a minute.